Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to place pullback entries using EMA. Okay. In order to do this, you must first identify the direction of the trend. Okay. You can use any price action methods or anything to analyze the trend. After analyzing the trend, you can use this technique to place order quickly and at lower price so that your stop loss will be very less. Okay. I will show you how to do this. Okay, so here I have identified the trend as bullish and I will show you how to create this strategy. So first go to the indicator section here, search low EMA. Okay, just EMA, search EMA and low EMA touch. Here it says whenever the price touch the low EMA of 20 period, it will place order. Okay, this is CE order. Okay, I have selected strike 24,700 CE and okay, strategy is added. The idea is when the price touches the 20 EMA of low price, it will place order. Okay, here I am enabling the PNL handle. Okay, once the order is placed, I will exit my order when the price close below this EMA. Okay, that is my stop loss. Here I have added, instead of 0, you just change it to -1, and -1 tells the previous candle has closed below the EMA. Okay, and exit the position added. Okay, so we have added exit condition is when the price close below this low EMA, I will exit the order. Okay, let's see how the trade works. Okay, here the order is placed. I'm changing my font size. Okay, now I will set the target. Okay, just click the target and I am setting the target in index. Okay, index level 24,840, sorry, 850. Okay, 24,850 is my target. It will automatically exit when the price reaches 24,850. Okay, I exit the order because premium is not moving much. Okay, I hope you understand how to place orders quickly using this EMA scalping. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Thank you.